is Sadie. And well, we've been on a 2-year-long adventure around the country in this van. From the highest mountains, to the hottest deserts, to the oldest forest. Feels like we've seen it all. But the more we see, the more we want to keep going. Along the way, more has changed than just our scenery. We travel not just to discover new places, but to grow closer to our true selves in the process. Doors open all along the road, and it's always calling. Please subscribe to join the nomadic community, follow along the journey, and to find out how we make our travel dreams become reality.
This is the cheapest I've seen gas in a long time here in Montana. Going to Idaho, it gets up to over $5 a gallon.
What we're looking forward to today.
If I have any trash, this is usually the time that I dump it.
As the Forest Service, the company's announced this on Wednesday.
We made it to Jerry Johnson Hot Springs. Such a beautiful drive on the way here. There's not many signs indicating where the hot springs are, but I think we're in the right spots. There is a parking, kind of a gravel lot off the side of the road with pit toilets, and there are quite a few cars here, so hopefully we get our own spot. I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't know if it's like one pool or a bunch of different pools, so we're just gonna go and find out. It's a lot cooler than it was the past few days. It's been like in the mid-90s, even in Missoula, Montana, and now it's only 76 degrees. I'm so happy it cooled down. I'm on what I believe is a 1-mile trail to the hot springs, hopefully. The map wasn't super clear, but this seems like it will take me where I'm trying to go. It's a really lovely trail here. I'm wearing my river shoes instead of my tennis shoes, but it's nice to have like very little between my feet and the ground. It's nice to feel the grounds when I walk on it. Trying to make noise so the bears know I'm coming. The number one fear up here in bear country is bears. Not really afraid of snakes, not afraid of spiders, but bears and moose are scary. I mean, it's not like I've seen that many, but I'm just gonna try to prevent anything from happening. Just talking and making noise. And of course I have my bear spray right there. Is this a Springs? Looks like it would be. Let's check it out. Nobody's here. Oh yeah. That's it. That's it. I have it all to myself. There were a few people here already and they left. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh yes. So excited. Spoke too soon. A little family came. Like the water gets cooler as it gets towards the river. This one has like a mixture of warm and cold. Let's see if I can stand it. Oh, it's cold. Woo. Yeah. You have the warm water coming through here and it's mixing with the cold river water. This is like a dream. It's so beautiful. Can't believe I'm here. I'm gonna move up to a warmer pool. This one's a little mossy, but it's warmer. Well, the trail continues. I'm just gonna keep exploring and see what else is around. I don't really feel like sharing with the little naked family right now, so maybe I'll come back and see if they're gone. I did get to enjoy some of the pools closer to the river. That was stunning. Hard to believe it's real. Feels like just a dream. There was another pool, but there were like 6 other people in there. It's really cool how it's like a natural jacuzzi. I grew up with hot tubs, but not hot springs. This is new to me and it's amazing. Okay, there's one, but it looks a little gross. I don't know about that one. A little dingy, a little buggy. We'll keep going. Is that a moose track? Oh my god. Is that a moose? Or a deer? Whatever it is, it's big. It's a big animal. I've been walking and walking, and the trail seems to be getting a little dense and narrower. There's the trail. So I decided to just chill on this log for a little bit, enjoy the sounds of nature, the birds, the water rushing by, and then after some time passes, I will go back that way to the spring pools and see if any of them are open. I guess that's the thing with these hot springs. They're just small pools and you drive a long way, you walk a long way, and you finally get there. And you're just kind of taking a risk because you don't know if you're going to be sharing it or waiting for it or have it all to yourself until you get there. So if you get it all to yourself, it's definitely worth it. Even if you don't, it's still a beautiful walk, a beautiful hike. And we're in one of the most beautiful places in the country. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Okay, so even though we have no service, the iOverlander app still loads a little bit. It's not gonna do the GPS direct route directions, but
there's me, and this is a Campspot that I found on here. Even without service, maybe it'll show me when I'm close to it on the map. Everywhere I checked was full, all the campsites. I found this pull-off river access, I guess. There's also a bathroom, and there are no signs saying no overnight parking, but you never know. I wouldn't think it would be a problem to park here, but I'm still not 100% positive, but there's nowhere else to park, so I mean, it's definitely nice. It's right by the river. Check it out. It's about 9 p.m. I might try to get up early and get to some hot springs at sunrise. See how that goes. Good night.
Close all the curtains. Stay on the phone. We are the monsters. Holding you still. We are the gallows. Up on the hill. Answer the question. Is God on your side? We'll be together.
So getting up early did not work out as planned. It's fine because I woke up and the sleep was just so good. And I asked myself, do I have to get up right now? And the answer was no. So I kept sleeping. It's around noon, I would say, and we're at Weir Creek Trailhead. Supposedly there are some hot springs here. It was kind of hard to find without GPS. I was able to look at the Eye Overlander app and find Weir Creek on there, and I just came to where that was, and there was this tiny little parking area available for it. So, and there's a sign here saying Weir Creek Trailhead. Doesn't say how long it is, doesn't say anything about hot springs. There are quite a few cars here, I would say like 6 cars, so we're gonna just go see how it is. This thing's really hot. Oh, that's good. This is really nice. So I came up here. It was like a 10-minute walk. There's like a bigger pool down there in the sun, and then there's this one in the shade. And I came up to this one, and the nice couple said they were leaving and I could have this one, so that was good timing. It's pretty small. It seems pretty clean. Time to relax. It's not really a good place to put the camera, but I'll try. Go down to the river and get in the cold water and then come back up and get in the hot water. Don't see an easy way down there though. Guess since it's midday everybody's clearing out because it's hot. It does feel good after you get out of the hot water. Like the air feels cool on your skin. An older guy just passed by and told me that there's another hot spring over there and it's a little cooler, but there's no shade. That is one plus about coming here midday, is you get it all to yourself. It's just kind of hot. Try to go down to the river. Got almost all the way down and realized I didn't have shoes on, and the terrain was getting harder to walk on. I came back up to get my shoes. Well, didn't go down without a fight. Slipped and fell, but I'm okay. Just a little blood. Found an easier way to get down instead of on slippery rocks. Okay. Just try not to die. That's the goal. That's gonna be cold, but I'm gonna lay in the river water. That might be too cold. Burns. That was perfect and relaxing. I feel better now that I kind of got that out of my system. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, go to Idaho Hot Springs, and I'm pleasantly happy. I'm happy I got to do it. Now I think finally it's time to go back to Denver. For real this time. It's a bittersweet. I am sad that I won't be traveling as much anymore, but I'm also kind of ready to work somewhere. Just get some money flowing again so I can keep traveling and accomplish my goals. So we're gonna head back through Montana, make a few stops along the way, then head down through Wyoming again into Denver. Thanks for coming along. I'll catch up with you later.